Net so slow. I think today we'll start 5.1. Isn't it? I'm audible. I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today we'll start 5.1 or 5.1 already started.
Started, ma'am. We did one question.
One question. Okay. This slow. Which question we did? Which number?
Example 1.
Y is equal to x square. Y
Yes,
is
ma'am.
equal to x square.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Y is equal to x. It is already completed. Okay. Now, okay, nothing else here. Okay. I'm going to solve the given question, that is question number 5. Okay. Classwork problem is question number 5 is or not? Your classwork problem is question number 5. I'm asking you. I'm asking you. Your classwork problem is question number 5 or not? I'm asking you. So what? Huh? What happened? I am not audible? I am audible or not?
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Why you are not answering?
Yes, ma'am. Question number 5.
Okay. Estimate the area under the graph. Fx is equal to, write down the question. Estimate the area under the graph. fx is equal to, under the graph, fx is equal to 1 plus x square. One plus x square. From x is equal to -1 to x is equal to 2. Using 3 rectangles. Using 3 rectangles means n is equal to 3. Right end point. Using 3 rectangles, right endpoints, then improve your estimate by using 6 rectangles. Then again you start n is equal to 6. Then improve your estimate by using 6 rectangles. Sketch the curve and the approximating rectangle. Okay, this is your bit A. N is equal to 3, right endpoint. Okay, so now what we'll do here, first to draw the figure. The question is asking. So, what type of curve it is? 1 plus x square. Tell me. What type of curve it is? One plus x square.
What parabola?
Parabola.
Parabola. Where it lies?
0, 1.
Where it lies?
Vertex at 0, 1.
0, 1.
Yes, it is your 0, 1. Clear? Here it is your parabola. What is the domain it is given? It is your -1 and it is your 2. Clear to all of you? All of you clear? All of you clear here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the question given? N is equal to 3. What is the value of del x? Del x is equal to? Tell me. Del x is equal to?
B minus
Huh?
A by N. B
Yes.
minus A by N.
So yes, b minus -1 divided by 3 is how much here it is? It is how much? 1.
1.
Clear here? So here it is -1 plus 1, it is 0, then it is 1. We divide it into 3 parts. Okay, say S1, S2, S3. Okay. So now right end point R3. What you write down? 1 into f of 0, right end point for this rectangle. If you do the rectangle, it is like this. If you do the rectangle, it is like this. If you do the rectangle, it is like this. Right end point. It is 0, then it is 1, then it is 2. F of 1 plus f of 2. All of you clear here? All of you clear here? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Huh? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Right endpoint. What I say? How you solve your problem by using the right endpoint for this triangle. It is your triangle. Rectangle, sorry, triangle was rectangle. It is your rectangle. On this rectangle, which one is your right endpoint? 0. So I have written it is f of 0. On this rectangle, which one is right endpoint? 1. I have written it is f of 1. On this rectangle, which one is our 2? So f of 2. Clear to all of you? That is called your right endpoint. All of you clear? All of you
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So f of 0. What is the value? F of 0. It is 1. 1 into 1 plus f of 1. It is 2 plus f of 2. It is 4 plus 1. It is 5. So what you get? It is the value 8. You get it is the value 8. Clear? All of you clear? But using the right endpoint, we get the value, it is 8. All of you clear here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then n is equal to 6. What is the value for n? N is equal to 6. The value of del x is equal to del x is equal to
1 by 2.
0.5 or 1 by 2 you can say. Okay? Okay? Now, what you write down here it is minus 0.5 minus 1 plus 0.5. What you get? Minus 0.5. Then minus 0.5 plus 0.5, it is 0. Then 0 plus 0.5, it is our 0.5. Then 0.5 plus 0.5, it is 1. 1 plus 0.5, it is 1.5. All of you clear here? So which one is our right endpoint? R of 6, tell me. The value it is 0.5. Del x value is 0.5. Then what you write down? According to the N3. Tell me. Tell me. I have written it is here. I am writing again here. It is minus 1. Then it is your minus 0.5. It is 0. Then it is 0.5. It is 1. Then it is 1.5. Then it is 2. So what did I do? Tell me what we write down at the right endpoint. Right endpoint on this rectangle, which one is your right endpoint? On this rectangle, which one is your right endpoint? On this rectangle, like this, you have 6 number of rectangles, A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of rectangles, which one is your right angle? All of you know? So what do you write down here it is?
Ma'am, f of minus 0.5.
Yes, very good. F of minus 0.5. Then plus?
F of
F
0.
of 0.
Yes, very good. Then?
F of 0.5.
Yes. Plus?
F of 1.
Plus?
F of 1.5.
Yes,
And then f of 2.
very good. So tell me the value. Tell me the value.
Ma'am, 1.25.
Find out your value in radian. Find out your value in radiant.
Ma'am, 13.75.
No. It is 13.75. You are saying you have multiplied by 0.5? Forgetting about that.
Oh, yes, yes.
What do you get? 6 point?
6.875.
Very good. You are getting 6.875. Now, the same problem, bit B is your, but using the left endpoint where n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 6. So bit B is your left endpoint L3. Already you got for the n is equal to 3, I get this del x is equal to 1. So I'm writing here it is 1. Then what you write down for the left endpoint? N is equal to 3. L3 I have written. What you write down?
F of minus 1.
Very good. F of minus 1.
F
Then
of
plus
F
f
of
of 0.
0
Then
plus F of 1.
very good. So what is the value you get here?
Now 5.
It is 5. Okay. Then for n is equal to, it is n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 6, L6. We got it is del x is equal to 0.5. Already you got it. Then now. What is the value we got here?
F of minus 1.
F of minus 1.
F of minus 0.5.
Yes. Okay.
F of 1. Sorry, 0. F of 1. F of 1 plus and F of 1.5. F of 1
This point,
and F of
where is going this 0.5?
no. F of 0.5. Sorry.
It is already written here.
Yes.
Excluding that value here, last one, you include on the first one, nothing else here. Then f of plus f of 1.5. Clear? Tell me the value.
Ma'am, 5.375.
Yes. 375. Now, but the bit C is by using the middle point. Middle point for the n is equal to 3 and for n is equal to 6. For n is equal to 3, what is the middle point here? N is equal to 3. Minus 1 to 0. Middle point is your?
Minus 0.5.
Very good. And 0 to 1.
0.5.
Yes, 1 to 2.
1.5.
Very good. So M3. Del x we got it is 1. Then f of minus 0.5 plus f of 0.5 plus f of 1.5. Tell me. Tell me the value. Tell me.
5.75.
It is 5.75. Okay. Then for n is equal to 6, M6. So middle point is here. Middle point is here.
Minus 0.25.
Very good. Minus 0.25. Here.
Minus 0.
It is, sorry, it is minus 0.25.
75.
Sorry. It is not it?
25.
Then it is
0.25.
it is
75.
okay. Then it is
1.25.
it is
1.75.
all of it clear by considering this. So what you write down? What is the del x value n is equal to? It is 0.5. 0.5. Then it is f of minus 0.75 plus f of minus 0.25 plus f of 0.25 plus f of 0.75 plus f of it is 1.25 plus f of 1.75. What is the value? What is the value?
Ma'am, 11.875.
Huh?
11. Sorry, not in. Ma'am, 5.9375.
Yes. 9375. So now we find out the integral value here of this function, integration minus 1 to 2, 1 plus x square. You know how to solve. Dx is how much? Tell me. Roughly you do this work. What is the value you get here? What is the value? Integrate. It is x plus x cubed by 3 minus 1 to 2. When it is putting 2 plus it is here 8 by 3, then minus, it is minus 1, so it is plus 1, then it is plus 1 by 3. 3, 6. Clear? All of it clear? All of it clear here? I am audible? I am audible or not?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
It is, we get the value 6. So now see, among all these value, it is I am getting 8, I am getting this C1, I am getting this one, I am getting this one, I am getting this one. Among all these value, which one is the best? Which one is the best?
Sundarji 8.
Middle.
Last one.
Last.
The last one I am getting here, it is 6, approximately nearly equal to 6. It is not it?
Yes, ma'am.
So the
Yes, ma'am.
M6, the middle point rule, when n is equal to 6 is the best. You have to write down. Clear to roughly this one you do. It is rough work. Okay. All of you clear? This problem? All of you clear? All of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to erase. I'll clear this page. All of you have written or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, your assignment problem here it is question number 4, 7 and 8. Is not it? Assignment problem is question number 4, 7, 8. That is your assignment problem or not? I'm asking you. All of you are audible or not? I'm asking you first. I'm audible or not? I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am.
See? I'm audible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'm going to solve the question number 8. It is different and this type of questions are important. Here we get, by solving this way, we get the more approximate value. So now question number 8. Though it is given to you as assignment, I'm solving this one. Evaluate the upper and lower sum for fx. Evaluate the upper and lower sum for fx is equal to 1 plus x square, where minus 1 less than equal to x is less than equal to 1. With n is equal to 3 and 4. Illustrate with diagram. Okay. So here, first, already done, I have done this type of, but it is the interval is minus 1 to 1. So see here, my diagram is minus 1. Okay. For n is equal to 3, the del x is equal to del x is equal to 1 minus of minus 1 divided by 3. It is 2 by 3. That is equal to 0.667. Clear to all of you? Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 0.667 minus 1 plus 0.667 is how much here it is? How much? Minus 1 plus 0.667. Is how much? It is minus 0.333 or not? All of you are getting this value or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then minus 0.333 plus 0.667. Is how much? Is how much here?
Plus 343.
Yes, 334 na? It is 0.334, you can check. Minus 333. What you get? We get 4 and then 3, then 3. Plus 334. Clear? Then it is 0.334 plus this value, we get it is 1. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, here, do the rectangle here. Do the rectangle here. Do the rectangle here. It is visible to you? It is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Upper sum. For n is equal to 3 is equal to the value of del x is equal to 2 by 3 into upper sum means on this rectangle where at which point our functional value is maximum. At which point the functional value is maximum. Functional value is this one, fx is equal to your 1 plus x square. At which point the functional value is maximum. On the rectangle first one, say S1, say S2, say S3. Tell me. Which one? Where you are getting the value, functional value is maximum? Where?
Ma'am, at
At
minus
this
1.
point, which point? It is the functional value is this one, no? The curve. At which point I am getting maximum value?
Ma'am, at minus 1.
Yes, f of minus 1. Then plus the next rectangle, where we are getting the maximum value? Functional value is maximum. It is both are same. You can choose any one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is f of 3.334. Okay. Then for the last rectangle, S3.
At 1.
Tell me the result. Tell me the value. What is the value we get here? What happened to you? What is the value we get here? You have calculator, you find out. What I mean, I'm not audible or not? I'm asking you. I am audible?
Wait, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, yes. I'm waiting.
And 3.62.
It is 3.62. 3.62. Upper sum. You are getting 3.62. I am getting here it is 3.407. What you write down? F of minus 1 it is 2. F of 1 it is also 2. And F of 0.334 is how much you have written there? How much you have written?
Ma'am, I take 0.334 equals to 2 by 3. Sorry, ma'am. Yes, it is 3.40.
Why it is? Okay. So it is 3 point? 407. I got it. You check it. Whether I may be wrong, but I think I am correct. Okay. Upper sum. Now for n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. I want to see who are responding. For n is equal to 4.
Ma'am, delta x equal to 2, 1 by 2.
Delta x is equal to 1 by 2. Yes. We got here delta x is equal to 1 by 2. Very good. Delta x is equal to 1 by 2. Then
Ma'am, then the point will be -1, then -0.5.
yes, the point is
Zero.
-1. Yes,
Yes, ma'am. -1, then
it is
-0.5.
-1,
0.5,
-0.5, 0,
0,
then it is your
0.5,
0.5,
and 1.
then it is your 1. Clear? I'm just
Yes.
doing like this. So your value, it is your upper sum for n is equal to 4. What you write down? Is equal to,
1 by
it is
2.
0.5. 0.5.
Yes, ma'am.
So for this rectangle, where we have the functional value is maximum.
-1.
-1.
Yes. F of -1. Then plus.
F of
Minus
minus
0.5.
F of 0.5 minus 0.5.
Yes. F of minus 0.5. Then
plus F of 1.
F of plus 0.5.
again F of 0.5. Then last rectangle.
F of 1.
F of 1. So what is the value we get here? It is
3.75.
3.75.
3.75.
I got it here.
Yes, ma'am.
3.25. It is 3.25. Check it. Then we come to the
3.25.
lower sum.
3.75.
Yes, okay. Okay, then we come to the lower sum for n is equal to 3.
3.25.
For n is equal, yes, it is 25, 3.25. Okay. For the lower sum, that is n is equal to 3. When you find out the lower sum, then in each rectangle, at which point our functional value is minimum. Our functional value is minimum according to that F sum. So here it is our del x for n is equal to 3, del x is 2 by 3. Okay. So it is 2 by 3. Then in first rectangle, where the functional value is minimum? Where? F of minus 0.2. Yes. Okay. Then plus. After that, in the middle one, where our functional value is minimum?
F
Zero.
of 0.
Very good. I want to know this one. Then the last one,
0.334.
0.334. Okay. So tell me the value. Tell me the value.
Wait, ma'am.
2 by 3 it is, huh? Yes.
Ma'am, in the lower case, where n equals to 3, S1 equals to -1 to minus 333, and S2 equals to minus 3332 plus 334.334. Then in S2, the lower point will be minus 334.
No. Functional value. What I'm saying that? The functional
Okay.
value on that
Okay, ma'am.
rectangle, at which point our functional value is minimum. Functional value
Okay,
means
ma'am.
our function. This is our functional value. Clear?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So it is
Got it.
minimum here, na? That value I got it is 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Clear.
So what is the value you get here? It is. Write the value. Ready? How many times you are taking? Already you got the value, this one here.
Ma'am, 2.14.
2.14. I think it is 2.15. You check it. If you round up it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then for n is equal to 4. Lower sum. N is equal to 4. What do you write down? That is 0.5 into 0.5 into what do you write down? On this rectangle, where our functional value is minimum.
F of minus 0.5.
Yes, very good. Then
F of
Then
0.
again,
F of 0.
yes, very good. Then
F of 0.5.
it will f of minus 5 here, f of 0 here on this, f of 0.5. Okay. What is the value?
2.25.
2.25. Yes. Okay. All of you clear how we find out the upper sum and lower sum? Just discuss the question number, that is your 7. The answer is in your book. Just I am going to discuss only here. It is evaluate the upper and lower sum for fx is equal to 2 plus sin x. It lies in between 0 is your domain, it is given 0 is less than equal to x is less than equal to pi. Domain is this one, 0 to pi. Now solve this for n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3 and 4. Sorry, 2, 4, 8. Okay, first you do the figure. Where my figure is now? When I am putting the value x is equal to 0, I am getting value it is 2. It is 0 to pi. The curve is, when I am putting the value, it is 0 pi, I am getting it is also 0, so I am getting it is 2. Sorry, my curve is on there. Here it is, don't write down 0 on this. So here, the sine function curve, it is the pi by 2. If you say it is pi by 2, the value, what is the value? In between that there is a value pi by 2, so it is 3. Point is here. So my curve is like this. It is pi, it is 0, it is my curve. All of you clear now? All of you clear here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now for n is equal to 2. For n is equal to 2, upper sum, at which point? At which point? If you prepare the rectangle, upper sum at which point?
First one.
Pi by 2.
It's not that it is, yes, it is n is equal to 2. That is your del x is equal to, how much here it is? Del x is equal to pi minus 0 divided by 2, so it is pi by 2. Clear? Upper sum is equal to pi by 2 into function of pi by 2 plus function of pi by 2. Is that clear? Is that clear to all of you?
Yes,
Is that
ma'am.
clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For n is
Yes,
equal
ma'am.
to 4. For n is equal to 4. It is how much here it is? It is pi by 4. It is pi by 4. It is. This point is, if you divide n is equal to 4, what is the value of del x? Pi by 4 or not? Clear? It is clear to all of you? Del x is equal to pi by 4. Then 0 pi by 4, then plus pi by 4 pi by 2. It is 3 pi by 4. Then pi. So upper sum n is equal to 4. Upper sum, what do you write down? It is pi by 4. Then on this rectangle, where we have the maximum value?
Pi by
At pi
4.
by 4.
Yes.
Then plus here at pi by 2. Again also f of pi by 2. And then plus f of 3 pi by 4. Is not it? Find out your value. Similarly, lower sum. N is equal to, say for 4. You can say for 2 easily. Say for 4. Lower sum. That is pi by 4. Multiply by f of. Where you get? Where you get? Minimum
0.
value. Yes. Then
Pi by 4.
pi by 4, yes. Then it is
3
your
pi by 4.
very good.